Hello friends, welcome. In this video I'm going to work with the home page. So right now if I click here, we have the default Laravel welcome page. And I'm going to display the same thing we have here in this one, just remove this header and display the posts here and in here the communities. The same we have in the Reddit. If we go in the home page, we have the popular posts. And I'm going to get the popular post based on the votes. So which post has more votes is going to render first. And here I don't know what the logic is because we have the post which is posted in the same hour and this has more votes and this is up here. But anyway, I'm going to get the post based on the votes. And then in the next video, I'm going to work with the sidebar, because if you go here, we have the top communities. And now if I click on this community, now in the sidebar, we have different things. So we have the related communities. We have the description about this community and sport rules and something. I'm going to display a different thing here in the home page. On the sidebar, also the different when we go to the post page and when we go to the community page. Okay, but in this video we are going to work with the home page. So let's open the VS Code. And if I open the welcome page, and I'm going to select all here and remove. And because it's going to be almost the same as this one, the home page, so we are going to display the post with this card and the communities, I'm going to copy this front-end communities show page and paste it here. And we need to make some changes. What I said, I don't want this slot header here. We have a list of posts. We don't need the pagination. I'm going to get only 10 or 12 posts. And he's going to be the top communities, maybe not latest, but say top communities. And here we are going to get not community, but communities and posts. We don't need the link here. And here we have this community Slack, but we don't have now the community. So let's add in the post, I'm going to add also the community Slack. So I'm going to say community Slack here. We're going to add in this when we return the post. Now, in here, in the community, we have something like this. Let's go and see what we have in the controller. For that, in the front end, community controller. And here we get the community, and then the post, we return this community post resource, which has a title, description, username, Slack, votes, and post votes when loaded. And also we need now the community post community Slack. So let's add that. So let's say here, community Slack is going to be this community Slack. And now we need to get with relation community also, because it's going to, so here we need to say also with community. Now let's create the route and the controller. So let's create the controller first. Here, artisan make controller, and let's name it in the front end. I'm going to name welcome controller. Okay, now let's open the web routes and create the route. Here is the route, we need to modify that. Add the welcome controller class. And the method is going to be welcome. Okay, now let's save this and let's go in this welcome controller and create that welcome method. So public function welcome. Welcome like this. And here now we need the posts and the communities. And just let's return inertia render the welcome page. Okay. Now let's go, and if I click here, yeah, we have a blank page. Good. Inspect elements. We have error because we don't have reading data. We don't have the posts here. We need to add posts. Now for that, I'm going to use the same we have here. So I'm going to use this community post resource. Okay, we added the community Slack. And I'm going to copy this we have here. So with and copy that, go now to the welcome controller and say $post is going to be community post resource collection. And now here I'm going to say post model with user and post votes. And also what I said, we need to add also with community because we added this community Slack here. Okay. And now we need to order by votes. So order by votes, and we need to order not ascending but descending. And let's take 12. So take 12 and get like this. And let's add here the compact for posts. And if I save, and let's go now to see what we have here. Refresh. Map into order by votes, desk. Okay, what we have this one, and yeah, we need to close in here. Now let's save it and let's come here and refresh. And yeah, we have something like this. Now just refresh again and open, because sometimes it's not working the view. So in the welcome, now we have communities which are undefined. In the post data, we have the object, and votes is true to this one, true to this one, also to this one, and 0 to this one. Okay, so we have ordered by votes. And let's go and log in here as a second user, go to the home page, and I have upvoted them. Now, if I upvoted this, also remaining in the last one because has only one vote, but if I downvoted this one, now this is 0 and is in the last one, this is going up. Okay, so we have ordered good. And also I'm going to, here we have hard coded, so we need the post with comments count also. So let's go here and let's go to this community, and also we need to say comments count is going to be this comments count like this. Now if I save and if I go in the welcome controller, we say with this one, and also I'm going to say with count of comments. Come here and refresh, go to the inspect elements, go to the view, in the welcome now data object, comments count 1, very good. To see that this one is 0, 0, 0. So let's display the real comments count here. In the, we need to go inside the components, post card. Let's open this one, and when we have the comments, let's display here the post comments count. Post comments count like this. Save, and as you can see we have 1, 0. But right now if I go in the Laravel, we have empty because we don't have that comments. So also we need to go in the community controller and do the same thing. So we say with count comments, come here and say with count comments. Save, come here and refresh, and now we have the same. Okay, I think we are okay now with the home page. So I have upvoted this, and we have one, upvoted this and this. And also now if I upvoted again, this one is going to be up and this is going to be down. Yeah. So the third post, as you can see, is here. Now if I upvoted, is here. Good friends, that's it about this video. Now in the next video we are going to work with the communities in here with a sidebar. Also when we go to the single post and when we go to the single community. So see you in the next one. All the best.